Hello all. In this video, I am going to explain how to solve this problem in the Fusion 360. So let us assume this is our front view and this is our side view of the component and this is our top view of the component. Now we can see here the maximum detailing of the part we can see from the side view. This is a particular problem where if we see the top view, the true shape of the cylinders are visible here, but the maximum detailing of the component that we are going to see in the side view. So we are going to start drawing the side view first. In the side view it appears something like this. Okay, so the first I am going to create some shape like this. Okay, now start working in the Fusion application. Create sketch in the side plane. Now first initially draw a height of 50 mm. Next, draw a line here from the center in this direction for length of 56 mm. How we are getting this 56? If anyone having doubts na, please you can ask me in person or you can just text me so that I can explain how we are getting that 56 mm. Okay, that's a basic geometry that we need to understand. Okay, next step. You can see it's 12 in all the directions, so I'm directly going to create an offset for 12 mm. Okay, offset created. Now close these sides. That's it. Now on other side we had one more part of the diagram that is for 42 mm, and just draw this extension and the height value will be 50 anyhow. Now draw a line from this point for 42 mm, and from downside also draw a line for 42. Okay, fine. Next, just join these two lines. Now we had got a close, remember. But if we observe, there are some chamfers here, and the distance is one side is 13 and the height is 14. This is not the equal distance chamfer. In all the problems we have gone through equal distance chamfer, but in this problem we are going to use non-equal distance chamfer. So how to use non-equal distance chamfer is, here we had three type of chamfers. So one is two distance equal distance chamfer. This is a majorly used, but here we are having two distance chamfer. So select this two distance chamfer and select here as well as here, and we can see here we got the first height as well as the second height. Okay, edit the first height as 13 mm and edit the second height as 14 mm. Here also repeat the same step. Edit the first height as 13 mm and edit the second height as 14 mm. So we can see here we have edited like this. So one side it is 13 and one side it is 14. So it's time to draw one circle. Okay, first draw one random circle, later on we can check the dimension, and the dimension is 26, and here there is no particular measurement given. It says that we have to draw the circle at the midpoint. Okay, now this is 26 diameter, 26 mm. Make sure height, this is the total height is 50 mm, so the center point will be at a height 25, and this is total 42, and the center point will be 21. So that's how I'm going to fix this circle here at the center. So this is the basic sketch. uh, After that we need to go for extrude only. So if anyone want, you can take the screenshot or you can pause the video, you can draw it, and then you can practice. So once it is done, click on finish sketch and orient to the home position. Now we had part 1 and other part here also. We are going to do here also multiple extrudes. So click on extrude, select the first face of the object. We can see it is extruded for total 44 mm. Here also I am going to use the symmetric extrude 22 mm, and the same I am going to use at symmetric at the other side also. So 22 in one direction and 22 other direction. Now turn on the sketch. Now extrude this object. The height of this object is total is 12 mm, so half distance in one direction is 6 mm, in other direction it's 6 mm. So distance value 6 mm, start sorry direction, change it to symmetric. So the total value 6 plus 6, it will become 12. Now turn off the sketch, go to modify command, select the fillet here, select these two corners on the top side and the bottom side, give the fillet radius as 22 mm. Okay, give the fillet radius as 22 mm. So we can see the shape how we got it here as shown here, because radius half we have taken. Now create sketch on this top face. Now draw one circle. Okay, draw one circle. Diameter of that particular circle he has given 22 mm. 22 mm. Now go to concentric. Okay, now select this circle and select this object, so the circle will be aligned center automatically. Now click on finish sketch. Now go to extrude command, select this small circle inside one and drag it down and click OK. That's it. We can save the component as experiment number, I don't remember, 12, experiment number 12. Okay, thanks for watching.